guys, NaJae back with another video. So this video is going to be talking about what's the difference in lemon essential oil and lemon vitality oil. From what I know, I use them both the same way, but the white labeled one is just to let you guys know that you can put them in your mouth. You can put them in your tea, you can drink them, pretty much, you know. And then this shows you that you can use it topically and you can put it in your diffuser. So this is just going to be a little video about what's the difference in them. So the lemon essential oil that I have is a 15 milliliter bottle. It's a single oil, so it's just the lemon oil in here. The cost for it is $15.13 in wholesale. That was the retail price, sorry. Wholesale price is $11.50. If you keep lemon on hand for it, you can keep lemon on your hand for its clean, energizing, and invigorating aroma. So if anybody knows me, I love using lemon. I love lemon water. I make lemon lip balms out of this. This stuff is really good. I love the smell of it. It's really, like, you don't even have, honestly, with their citrus oils, you don't have to really open the bottle. Like, once you crack it open, you can smell it. Like, it's really amazing. You can use it as an aroma to create an uplifting atmosphere. So if you're feeling a little down, put that in your diffuser. You can also put it in your diffuser necklace or your diffuser bracelet. It's found in Thieves Home Cleaning Kit, Thieves Household Cleaner, Thieves Essential Oil Blend, Forgiveness Essential Oil Blend, Surrender Essential Oil Blend, and Transformation Essential Oil Blend. Also, it's found in Thieves Citrus Fresh, Clarity, Joy, and Harmony. So it's found in a lot of Young Living products, and it's pretty amazing. So as you heard, they're in other oils that are blends, but lemon is just the single. So it's in regions it's founded in is Argentina, California, South Africa, excuse me, Italy, and Asia, but mostly comes from Argentina and South Africa. It's cold pressed and comes from the rind of the plant, and it joined the Young Living family in 1994. Okay. It benefits skin and hair as much as its aroma enhances your environment. So not only can you use it in your diffuser, you can use it topically, you can also use it in your skin and hair products. So that's pretty cool. Like I said, I put it in my lemon lip balm, and that's one of my favorite ones. Fun fact, 75 lemons. I think it's 75 or 175. Don't quote me on that. The way my notes is I kind of added at the end. Lemons are required to make one 15 milliliter bottle. So either way, it takes a lot of lemons just to make this 15 milliliter bottle. You would never think that. And then some of the uses, you can diffuse it up to 1 hour 3 times daily. It creates a more focused environment. So if you're feeling a little distracted, put it right in your diffuser. It works. You can diffuse it at work or school or at home. Topically, since it is citrus oil, you don't want to use it during the day. Use it more in the evening time because it is photosensitive, okay? So 1 drop versus 1 drop carrier oil. My carrier oil that I like to use is a jojoba oil, but you can use any other oil that you like to use. There's a bunch of them. Young Living has V6 oil. There's coconut oil. There's almond oil. There's a lot of stuff. So you can use different ones. You don't have to use the ones they recommend. You can, like I said, you can add lemon to skin hair products to help reduce the appearance of aging. So like I said, use it at nighttime. You can use it to use it to help remove adhesives. So, you know, it's kind of like that sticky. So say if you bought, like, I had bought this bottle from Bed Bath & Beyond. I love it. I only got it because of what it says. Do not ever give up. So, do not ever give up. So that's pretty funny. So, but you know, like the sticky kind of stickers that leave the little nasty stuff behind? Take a few drops. You can rub it right on the bottle. You can put it on a piece of paper or a piece of napkin, and it comes right off. I promise you. I'll probably make a video of showing you guys how quick it works. Okay. And then, sorry. Yeah, guys, my daughter's waking up. It's okay. Where was I? Okay. You can add a few drops to your floor, window, or surface cleaning solutions. That's pretty cool. And then it helps with getting rid of odor. So, garbage or odor, you don't want that smell. Few drops or diffuse it. I'm telling you guys, it works amazingly. And then the lemon vitality oil is pretty much the same thing. It's a diet, so they label it as a dietary single oil. It's a 5 milliliter bottle. So like I showed you guys earlier. Okay. Let me make sure you see that. And the cost for retail is $8.22. Wholesale is $6.25. It provides an invigorating citrus flavor, has antioxidant properties, supports the immune system, provides circulatory support, and it's also found in Ninja Red, Alkaline, Thieves' Hand lozenges, Inner Defense, and Select 30 oil collection. So, out of those products that I mentioned, I love Ninja Red. Sorry if you guys can't see me. I love Ninja Red. Ninja Red's like one of my all-time favorite ones to drink. I actually don't drink it regularly. I kind of put it in the freezer and make it into a popsicle and eat it that way. Some people like to just put the glass in the refrigerator and drink it cold. Some people like to make slushies, but you can make them any way you want. The Thieves hard lozenges, I have tried those at a Young Liver Rally, and those are really good. Like, yeah. But pretty much that's it. They have like the same properties. You can use them the same way, but they just had to label them differently to let people know what you can ingest, and the other ones that you can use topically and put them in the diffuser. So, okay, that was just a few tips and uses on how you can use the lemon essential oil and lemon vitality oil. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the bell to be informed when I do post videos and go live, okay? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.